Handheld video camera stabilizers can bring a whole new dimension to your videography. The Camera Motion Research Blackbird is designed to allow everyone from beginners to experienced operators to achieve smooth handheld stabilizer results. The professional performance that can be achieved with a Blackbird is the result of optimized moments of inertia in the tilt, roll, and pan axes, combined with a precision 3-axis gimbal. In other words, it provides the best possible performance you can get in a handheld stabilizer. With the Blackbird, you can balance and fly small cameras like the Canon T2i, or even up to heavy cameras like the Sony EX1, and more. The Blackbird is remarkably easy to balance regardless of camera, and it has been engineered from the ground up with features that set a new standard for operator convenience. The advanced design Blackbird camera stage has convenient adjustment knobs for fast horizontal trimming. These low backlash screw drives with precision internal dovetails ensure rock-solid camera position that doesn't shift in use. And built-in bubble levels provide convenient indication of camera horizontal plane position. A precisely aligned gimbal is very important for good stabilizer performance. And the unique Blackbird gimbal is built with high-quality bearings with very low intrinsic friction, assembled into precision machine gimbal yokes for perfect alignment. The on-axis gimbal handle is proven to be the most comfortable way to support a handheld stabilizer, avoiding operator wrist torque. The Blackbird is the only handheld stabilizer that features adjustable gimbal friction for better shots. Adding gimbal friction can help beginners get started and can reduce unwanted motion effects of more aggressive movements and even help with reducing the effect of wind. Handheld camera stabilizers require skill and practice to be used effectively. And to help you get the best results as quickly as possible, the Blackbird instructional DVD covers everything from how to balance your camera to how to control your Blackbird and how to move with it. The 70-minute DVD is a comprehensive tutorial with numerous in-camera and behind-the-scenes shots of 5 operators using the Blackbird.
Hello and welcome to the Camera Motion Research Blackbird instructional video.
Here's a sample of clips from the DVD.
So before talking about how you actually make adjustments to change the drop time, I think it's helpful to understand what we'll call the seesaw analogy. At the gimbal, we consider the gimbal to be the pivot point of a seesaw. If you can imagine that this is a seesaw with a bar running straight across here. Now it's a little bit confusing because the Blackbird has this support arm out here. But mechanically I can tell you it behaves just like there were a bar straight across. So if you think of this as the seesaw with the pivot point right here, and what we're going to do is adjust either the weight up here or its distance to the pivot point, or the weight down here or its distance to the pivot point. Ultimately, we're going to want to have this seesaw balanced so that it's just a little bit bottom heavy.
Now here's why you might want to walk with your knees bent. First, watch Brent walking normally along our wall grid and pay close attention to the slight up and down movement of his shoulders. When your shoulders move up and down, for the most part, so does the camera. But almost if by magic, if you just bend your knees a little, the vertical movement of your shoulders is greatly reduced. This works for almost everyone. Watch how maintaining a good, motionless, locked-off position is really important to making this shot work. Walking along crouched over like this is a bit awkward, but it does allow you to make some nice low shots. Here's a tip for improving your shots where you are turning a corner. Start panning with the camera just before you turn the corner. The important thing is to keep the sidewall in view. Watch the slow motion replay and how panning the camera starts before turning the corner.
For more information about the Blackbird handheld camera stabilizer, go to cammotionllc.com.